Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI for content creation. So let's get started. So first thing is that you can start by asking Claude for ideas based on your niche. You can give the prompt, give me 20 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners, keep them viral and high CTR. So Claude will give trending ideas, click-worthy titles, audience-focused topics. Claude is also very strong at long structured writing, so you can give a prompt, write a 10-minute YouTube video script about how to use Canva AI, include hook, intro, step-by-step tutorial, and ending. So you'll get hook, intro, step-by-step sections, outro, and CTA. You can tell it your style, like make it sound like a YouTube tech narrator, simple and engaging. You can refine content easily by giving the prompt, shorten the script to 5 minutes while keeping the main points, or make the script more engaging and natural for voiceover. Claude can repurpose content fast as well. You can turn this YouTube script into 5 Twitter posts and 3 Instagram captions using Claude. It is useful for short scripts, reels, captions, tweets, and threads. So those were a few prompts how you can use Claude AI for content creation. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.